Enhancing Fitness Training with AI. So, the title is Enhancing Fitness Training with AI. So, then objective number one is to help the user improve their form and reduce the risk of injury. Number two is to enhance the effectiveness of workout routines, promote healthy habits, and provide a more engaging and interactive fitness experience. And number three is to observe the user's movements in an AI model. And the number four, to analyze the data and identify any deviations from the correct forms. And methodology. Number one, deep learning algorithm. And two, data prepro- preprocessing. Preprocessing. And three, data labeling. Four, data normalization. Five, evaluation. And six, results. And two technologies, we have machine learning, and NN means neural network, and CNN means convolutional neural network. And the challenges in enhancing fitness training with AI can be difficult to interpret, especially when dealing with high dimensional image data. This can make it challenging to explain how the model is making its decision, which can be important in some applications, such as medical diagnosis. Overfitting. CNN can be prone to overfitting, especially when dealing with the complex image data or limited training data. This can lead to poor performance and new data and limit the generalizability of the model. And the last is findings. The findings in enhancing fitness training with AI. The system adapts to the user fitness level and progress over time, offering a customized experience. The accuracy and reliability of the computer vision's algorithm used to analyze the user's movements is crucial for the success of the AI virtual trainer. The AI virtual trainer has the potential to revolutionize the fitness industry, making training extra reachable and personalized. So so all enhancing business training with AI, we have a reference, and the reference name is Canon Mr. R.G. Mohan, Mr. M. Gokul, and Mr. R. N. Kumar, and Mr. GP. And the year is 2023. Enhancing fitness training with the International Journal of Research Publication and Reviews. And this is the DOI citation is in this. Next, this is the all reference of enhancing fitness training with AI. Thank you.